Can you guess the output of this Python code? You will have 10 seconds to choose one answer from 4 options. The correct answer is B. Explanation. 1. Initialization. X is initialized to 10. 2. Loop condition. The while loop checks if X is greater than 0. If true, the loop will continue running. 3. Loop execution. 4. Loop termination. When X becomes 0, the condition X greater than 0 is no longer true. So the loop stops, and no more values are printed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.